Hello students, hope you all are enjoying your online sessions. I am Bhavini ma'am and I am going to teach you all computer. You all like computer now? Yes? So let's begin with chapter 1, Computer, a modern machine. In this chapter we will learn about natural and man-made things. What is a machine? What is a computer? And types of computer. Children, there are many things around us. Some of these things are natural and some are man-made things. First, we will learn about natural things. The things which are provided to us by nature, such things are called natural things. For example, flowers, rivers, trees, sun, clouds, mountains, etc. Nature has created all these things. That is why these things are called natural things. Can you give me one example of natural thing? Yes, correct. Animals. Next is man-made things. Children, we also see many other things around us, such as books, watches, buildings, tables, etc. A man has made all these things. That is why these things are called man-made things. Students, do you know how your mother bakes cakes and pizzas for you? Here, one kitchen scene is given. Son is asking his mother, "Hey mom, why do you need this in the kitchen?" So, mom replied, "It is a machine. I need this to bake pizzas and cakes for you." Do you know what is a machine? No? Let's learn about machine. A machine is a device or an object that makes our work easier. ऐसी कोई चीज़ जिससे हमारा वर्क इजी होता है, ऐसी चीज़ को मशीन बोलते हैं. Students, do you know who made this machine? Nature? No? Perfect. Nature has not made this machine. Then who made this machine? Yes, man made this machine. A machine is a man-made thing. For example, washing machine. Students, different machines are available at home, and different machines have different uses. But how is it going to help us? Yes, machine saves our time and makes our work easier. You are asking me how? So, let us understand with one example. Earlier, people had to wash all their clothes by hand. Not only did this take a lot of time, it was very tiring too. Now we can just put the dirty clothes in a washing machine and the machine does all the hard work. So it makes our lives easier. There are many types of machine that help us in one or the other way. Some of the other machines we see around us are refrigerator. A refrigerator is used to keep things cool and fresh. Car. Car is used for transportation. It helps us to move from one place to another. Last example, computer. A computer is also a machine. Since it works on electricity, it is called an electronic machine. Like other machines, a computer make our life easier by doing many things. Do you know how? A computer is used to play games. We can watch movies and cartoons. We can also create drawings and documents. All these machines make our work easier. Since a computer can work so smartly, it is also called a smart machine. As you all know, we use machines in our everyday life. So let's learn more about machines. Some machines run on batteries. ऐसे मशीन्स जिसको बैटरी पावर की ज़रूरत रहती है. For example, watches, torch, toy cars, etc. कुछ मशीन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसको वर्क करने के लिए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत होती है. Examples are computer, television, mixture grinder, etc. There are some machines run on fuel. Students, do you know what is fuel? पेट्रोल, डीज़ल, ये सबको फ्यूल बोलते हैं. सो कुछ मशीन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसको फ्यूल चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल्स बाइक, कार्स, एरोप्लेन्स, ट्रक. There are some machines need man's effort. Some machine would not work at its own. Such machines needs man's effort. For example, bicycle. Bicycle खुद से नहीं चल सकती. जब हम पैडल देते हैं तभी वो मूव होती है. मीन्स बाइसिकल को ह्यूमन पावर की ज़रूरत होती है. Children, now let's solve one exercise based on what we have learned today. Identify the following things. Write M below the man-made things and N below the natural things. Means जो चीज़ इंसान मैन बनाते हैं उसके नीचे हमें M लिखना है और जो चीज़ नेचुरल है, नेचर ने बनाई है, उसके नीचे हमें एन लिखना है। फर्स्ट इज पैरट। पैरट मैन मेड है या नेचुरल? करेक्ट, नेचुरल। नेक्स्ट इज टेबल। हु मेड टेबल्स? नेचर? नो, करेक्ट, मैन मेड टेबल्स। नेक्स्ट इज मून। मून को कौन बनाता है? इंसान बनाता है? ह्यूमन बनाते हैं? नहीं, सो नेचर। नेक्स्ट इज टीवी। टीवी को कौन बनाता है? परफेक्ट, हम लोग, मतलब मैन मेड। नेक्स्ट इज ओशियन, सी। करेक्ट, नेचर। एंड लास्ट पेंसिल। पेंसिल कौन बनाता है? एग्जैक्टली, एम, मैन मेड। Children, there is some homework for you. Write the names of any two machines that work on electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलने वाले दो मशीन्स के नेम्स आपको लिखने हैं। एंड आपकी बुक से पेज नंबर 2 पे ये जो ड्राइंग दिया हुआ है उसको कलर करना है। कैसे कलर करोगे? नेचुरल थिंग्स जो है उसको रेड कलर करना है और जो मैन मेड थिंग्स है उसको ब्लू कलर करना है। आई होप you all have enjoyed today's session. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.